Hey guys, this is Love Story by Taylor Swift. Hope you like it. Subscribe. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback started staring there. On a balcony somewhere. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make a way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause the dead is the news to close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while. Oh, 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 if you were Romeo, it would started later. My daddy said, stay away from Juliet. If you were everything to me, I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me, trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh, oh. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. Favorite look fading. When I met you out of Oxford town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting, oh, you, but you never come. This in my head, I don't know what to think. And announced to the crowd and pulled that away and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talked to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause we were both young when I first saw